Chapter 6 Save Drinking Water. All living things need water to stay alive. Water is considered as a natural resource. Nearly 75% of our body weight consists of water. Many functions in our body cannot take place without water. All through the day, we lose water in several forms. Some water goes out through the pores of the skin in the form of sweat. Kidneys eliminate some water in the form of urine. So, an adult needs about 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rivers, pools, ponds, wells and lakes are the other sources of water. All these sources of water on the earth depend on the water cycle. Rainwater gets collected in streams, ponds, lakes, rivers and seas. Some water sinks into the ground and remains there as waterbed. How does water get polluted? The rainwater, while flowing from place to place, collects some impurities and germs. Some salts are dissolved in this water. All these pollute the water and make it unsafe for drinking. Pools, ponds and lakes. In villages, people get water from pools, ponds and lakes. They use that water for different purposes. They wash their clothes, cattle and also bathe in them. These activities contaminate water. So, water from pools, ponds and lakes is not safe for drinking. River water. River water is a major source of water. River water contains all surface impurities. In industrial areas, the industrial wastes are released into the river water. City sewage is released into the river near cities. Thus, the river water becomes highly polluted. So, river water is also not safe for drinking. Well water. Well water is safe for drinking if the well is maintained properly. Bore well. Well. Making water safe for drinking. Water that contains germs is called contaminated water. Such water causes diseases like diarrhea, jaundice, cholera, and typhoid. So, contaminated water should be treated with chemicals to make it free from germs. Now, let us learn some methods of purification of water. Sedimentation. Take 2 glasses. Fill one with tap water and other with pond water. The pond water consists of soil particles. Keep the 2 glasses aside. Tap water, pond water, sedimentation, decantation. After some time, the soil particles in the pond water settle down. This is called sedimentation. Gently drain off the upper clean water into another container by tilting the glass. This process is called decantation. Filtration and boiling. Filtration removes suspended impurities in water for domestic use. River water can be filtered by passing it through layers of gravel and sand packed in an earthen pot. The filtered water has to be boiled to kill the bacteria or germs. This is a very good method of making water safe for drinking. City water supply. Purification of water for city supply is done on a large scale. First, water from river is passed through the beds of gravel and sand. At this stage, all the suspended impurities get removed. However, this water is still not safe for drinking. River, pump house, water treatment plant, storage tank, mains supply. Calculated quantity of chlorine is added to the water to kill the germs. Then the water is sprayed into the air to remove any odor present. The resultant water is pure and safe for drinking. This purified water is supplied to the houses through pipelines. How to prevent pollution of water? The following measures help to prevent water pollution. 1. One should not wash clothes and animals near the sources of drinking water. 2. People should not bathe in the sources of water such as ponds, pools and lakes. 3. Latrines should never be built near the sources of water. 4. Tap water should be purified before drinking, especially in the rainy season. 5. The water filter should be cleaned regularly. 6. One should not put one's hand in drinking water. Water is very valuable. Never waste it. Do you know? In some states like Rajasthan, people walk long distances to get drinking water. What have we learned? All living things need water. Most of the water which we drink comes from rain. Rainwater gets contaminated by surface impurities and germs. The settling down of heavy particles in water is called sedimentation. The process of pouring out of clear water without sedimentation particles is called decantation. Removing impurities by using a filter is called filtration. There are many ways to purify water. Insoluble impurities can be removed by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Soluble impurities can be removed by boiling or by adding chemicals. Drinking water must be stored properly. Water is valuable. Never waste